Today is Sunday, but sun is off day. Now for PM. It's sunny today. Give full petro and waiting bro. New bro is come. Whoa is Holly Davidson. Now is for 15 PM complete all bikes. Get ready on bike. Let's go ride. We also be happy and safety to the rides. It's going to rain. It's raining lightly. I hope it's always sunny. Is me so fast? Oh, is coming. Nice feet follow. One, two, three, four. Okay, go. Let's turn into gas station. Holly Davidson, no gasoline, because it is only 7 liters. Let's be together full the petrol. Enjoy, relax. Ride on the road continuously. But rain is come again. Bro need to go to the toilet. Rain is coming now. Keep fast. Must go. Met at the next place. Wait the more bike bro coming. Chat and communicate with each other. All bikes bro is come from Moore. We no stay here to long. Let's ready to go. hungry. Eat faster. Be there. Go inside to park it. No back. This beautiful place. Take photos. Hurry, bro, let's inside. It's a very good restaurant, beauty and clean. The food is also delicious and has a lot of portions. No video is enjoy dinner. Now finish the dinner. We ready on bike. Next location, wall painting. Yamaha are 1M. Wall painting is in the backward road. It is composed of 3 backward roads. Here is the first one. And this is the second one. So beautiful. Now is last one, number 3. We will take photos and clock in here. Checkpoint. Prepare to ride the last place. Let's go. The last place is Centipede Temple. The Tianchi Palace of Centipede Mountain is located in Shengxiang. Founded in 1863, the temple is built against the mountain, and there are related to the Imperial Temple, Yulao, 8 Immortals, and Fortune Golden Toad. You can see the city scenery of Seremban from the mountain. there. Oh no. Parking. Take a rest for a while. Take a photo. His clothes out from time. So pity. I'll come again next time. Full tank back to home. We and more bikes go home separately. Today is an unforgettable day. Can ride with my friends and know a lot of friends. See you next ride.